The under cabinet light is charging, and when it's completed, it turns green. When you're ready to hang these things up, please peel the stickers off. Place on where the magnet supplies. Please pay attention to the curved ends as this is incorrect, or any magnetic surface. You could place your light on. The under cabinet lights come in at various amounts of sizes. This one is 800 milliamps, 3-4 times a day for 4 months. This will run. It takes 2 to 4 hours to charge. It's 4,000 Kelvin of light, depending on the unit you have. The sensor, an auto light, an on light, and the on button is a push. Push it once for auto. Fades off after 10 seconds. And to turn on, press the side button again and stays lit till you turn off. Let's turn this on auto. After 30 seconds, it shuts off. And when you come by in a low level shot, not like so, and the sensor hits, it turns on for 30 seconds. We take our light, we center it underneath our cabinet, we press firmly, turn the light on, and our light lights up the area nicely. As we walk near the light and we wave our hand, the light comes on. Great for any places that you need to put a light. A set of cabinet lights does a nice job. I hope you enjoy your light when you need to go get a cup of coffee, something by the counter. Enjoy your cabinet lights.